Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to replace the metal steering wheel of RC8P. And this steering wheel is made of aluminum alloy. It comes with some accessory parts. And the wheel is compatible with RadioLink RC8P, RC8X, RC6GS, and RC4GS transmitters. You can buy the wheel from our AliExpress official store. And let's check how to replace the wheel on RC8P. To replace the wheel, we just need to loosen this screw, remove the wheel, and install the new wheel. First, we need to remove the original wheel. RC8P comes with a hex wrench, which can be used to remove or install the wheel. And I use another one with a handle to operate. Hold the wheel and loosen the screw. Pull out the steering wheel slowly, and the wheel is removed. Next, install the new wheel. Before installing the wheel, we need to do one more thing. This is the spacer. We need to put the spacer into the slot where the wheel is installed. The spacer can prevent the friction between the wheel and the body of RC8P. You can contact our AliExpress salesperson to ask for the spacer if you want to install the wheel on RC8P. Put in the spacer and make it match the shape of the slot here. The spacer is put in, and then install the wheel. And the shape of the slot on the wheel must match the shape of the protrusions here. And the wheel is inserted. Push the wheel inside to a suitable position and turn the wheel. We can see it works well. Then we need a screw from the accessory parts of the wheel. And we need this screw, which is a bit longer than the original screw. And tighten the screw. The wheel is installed. Power on RC8P.
Welcome to RadioLink.
Turn the wheel. We can see the servo value of the steering wheel here. After the new wheel is installed, we need to calibrate the wheel to make sure it works correctly. Short press the screw key to enter the setting menu. Screw the key to the calibration menu. Short press the screw key to start calibration. Center calibration. Center the steering wheel and the throttle trigger to their neutral position. The steering wheel and the throttle trigger will return to the center position automatically, and turn the VR knob to the center. Press the screw key to the next step. Maximum and minimum calibration. Turn the steering wheel clockwise and counterclockwise to the end. Pull the throttle trigger to the maximum and the minimum. Turn the VR knob clockwise and counterclockwise to the end. And short press the screw key to confirm. Calibration success means the calibration is done. Press the screw key to exit. Return. And turn the steering wheel. We can see the servo value displays normally, which means the steering wheel works well. So that's all about how to replace the steering wheel of RC8P. And if there is an RC8P setting you want me to break down, drop it in the comments. Your question could be the topic of my next video.